Hello and welcome to Cobweb Garage. I'm going to show you the new project scooter, which I've nicknamed Oddbod. But first, I had a delivery a couple of days ago, which is a bench to put the scooter on. Unfold these legs, 2 bolts. Pretty sturdy. Two bolts and you can collapse the feet for storage. But what I am going to add is something to hold the scooter because it hasn't got a centre stand. Okay, so the thing we're going to add to this bench is this contraption to hold the wheel and just getting the positioning right. So this has to go on the end here, but far enough so you can turn the handle to move it in. Then I've allowed a 90mm gap, so when the scooter is up on the ramp, it sits fairly in the middle. So basically, you've got about 90mm across the tyre. And that's what I'm hoping to achieve. Obviously this side moves in and out, but this one is the fixed position. So it's generally this bench is going to be used for Lambrettas. So I want that one to sit there. But obviously it's got some tolerance because this one moves in and out. But then it's just getting the bolt holes marked out exactly in the right place, because it's got to go through the metal bars underneath. What you'll notice for this Sealey wheel clamp upgrade is that it feels pretty robust, but the bolts they give you are not long enough to go through this 1-inch thick tubing. So just ran down to the tool station and got some 50mm and 10 bolts. So here we go. pretty robust. Now we need some way of getting the scooter up to it, so we're going to use this, which I've had attached for some time. This collapsible ramp. And I'm just going to avoid any disasters, strap the thing on. I want to introduce to you the new project for Cobweb Garage. Let's wheel her in.
That's what he said. And then one day you'll be one of his living dead. 'Cause if you're looking good, but you're feeling colder.
Now, there's a reason I've wheeled her in backwards, because I actually want to start on the front with the mudguard. But normally, obviously, you would put the front wheel in this clamp. Okay, let's take a first look at Oddbod. This is exactly how I bought this cut down. I'm guessing someone was planning to turn it into a chopper of some kind. So we've got some strange forks. My friend Andy, Bristol Lambretta Club, did tell me what they're from. I think Indian forks. We have a Lambretta Series 2 frame, I believe. The guy that sold it to me told me it was an Indian GP200 engine. Haven't investigated yet. We've got some early Lambretta handlebars. I guess off a Model D or something. I'm sure someone will tell me. Interesting carburetor setup. Someone has badly welded on this side stand because it unfortunately hits the exhaust. Anyway, apparently it did run at some point, which is what persuaded me to part with my cash to buy this thing, because for me it's like a blank canvas and I've already got parts to go on it. And we're going to start with the mudguard. And now for something completely different.
Mate, she's looking sweet.
Let's get there. Had it 25 years, been off the road for 23 years. We're saving up loads of bits for it. With the disc brake conversion and drop spindles, it's pushed the wheels out. Machine cut them.
Oh,
so that the Porsche ones are actually masked. All new lines, all new drums, shoes, discs, calipers, everything.
Around the universe is true. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But I've never kissed a space girl just like you. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I got a
New corners for the front.
Yeah.
But
I kind of like it.
ship and moon boots made from gold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I got a great big laser beam, so I bring it home. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I said 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Watch out, baby, I'm gone. Here I go. You will enjoy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, take a trip with Cosmic Boy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, take a trip with Cosmic Boy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I said take a trip with Cosmic Boy.
Okay, thanks for watching this episode of Cobweb Garage. Please hit the subscribe button and they'll let you know when the next video is uploaded. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, all that stuff. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Cheers.